Hi friends, this is Kuldeep and you are watching my YouTube channel Career Options. And on this channel I used to bring especially the education related content, that what are the courses and what are the colleges the student can opt who are pursuing 12th standard right now. So this video is specially made for the students of 12th class students and also for the parents, because obviously they are also searching the content, that what are the options for them for their child after 12th class according to this stream. So this video I will be covering my third university, Christ University. Why I'm saying third university? Because I have already announced in my last videos that I will be covering top 10 B schools in India. So under that topic I have already covered NIMS University, Narsimhanji Institute for Management Studies and Symbiosis International University, Pune. So this is third university which I have taken to describe in this video, that is Christ University. So watch the video till the end, because we will be covering everything related with the Christ University. What is its establishment, what is its fees structure, what are the programs Christ University is offering, and what is the placement, what is the cultural activities, and what are the special extra things which Christ University is offering to the students. So stay till last, and I will also suggest to please subscribe the channel, those who are coming for the first time, and also those who are regular watching my videos, and if they have not subscribed, so please subscribe the channel. So let's start the content. Guys, Christ University itself is a very well and renowned name into the education industry. It was established in the year 1969, long back, and initially it was called as the Christ College. So it was the autonomous body. In the 2008 it was declared as the deemed to be university, so named as Christ University. So अगर affiliations की बात करूँ तो Christ University is affiliated with the University Grant Commission, NAAC, NAC and Ministry of Human Resource and Development. So these are the affiliations. Although it is also approved by AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education. Now let's talk about that where are the campuses located of Christ University. So it is having 5 campuses at present, 3 in Bangalore. So Bangalore main campus, then second campus is in Kanerghata, Bangalore, and third is Kanigadi campus. So these are the 3 campuses. Apart from that, it is having 2 campuses. One is in Pune, Lavasa, and third one is in fifth one is in Delhi NCR, Ghaziabad region. So and because this is a Christian college, so maintained by Christian communities. So let's discuss that what are the courses offered by the Christ University. So Christ University is offered more than 46 courses under the undergraduate category. It is providing 21 PhD courses, 17 master's courses into philosophy, and 47 master's courses in other categories. So for the undergraduate courses, it is providing in all streams like humanities, social science, science, law, management, commerce. And for the postgraduate category, I am taking few names like MTech, MSc, MCA, MCom, MPhil. So these are the variety of courses which is offered by the Christ University. Because this video is especially made for the 12th class students and especially for the management purpose, so I will be describing a little more about the BBA program. So BBA is offered into several streams by the university and in different campuses. So BBA honors is provided from Bangalore campus and NCR campus. BBA General is provided from Bangalore campus and NCR campus. BBA Travel and Tourism and Management is also provided from the Bangalore campus. BBA Finance and Accounting provided from Bangalore campus. BBA into Business Analytics provided from the Pune campus. So these are the courses. It is also provided BCom program as well. So these two are especially most of the students who are related with the commerce or humanities, they are taking these courses related with the finance. So let's talk about that what will be the procedure for the admission. So specially Christ University conducted their own entrance test by the name CUET, Christ University Entrance Test. So the student has to fill this form, and the cost of the application form is approximately 1500. This is the fees, and it may varies year to year. So at present it is 1500. So how the procedure takes place: the student has to fill the entrance test, he has to sit for the entrance examination, and after that, after clearing this preliminary test, there are 2-3 more stages are there, like skill assessment test, into which communication and writing skills will be judged. Then micro presentation of 90 seconds will be given to the student when they will be called after preliminary test clearance to the campuses itself. Then personal interview round will be there, and plus academic performance of 10th and 12th is also taken into the consideration. So this is the admission process. I have told very quickly, so that the video should not be very lengthy. Now there is a application forms are released in 2 sessions, session 1, session 2. Likewise closing dates will be 2, because 2 sessions will be there, and likewise admissions will be 2. So it is suggestible that if any student wants to take or want to give examination for 1 session, then he can give in 1 session, or if the student wants to give for both the sessions, they can fill the application form for both the sessions. Now what are the dates? Approximately I am telling the time that entrance examination application forms opens approximately in the month of Jan and closes in the April first week, and examinations conducted for both the sessions in April, maybe in 3rd or 4th week. So let's talk about that. What is the fee structure for the BBA program? Fee structure will be approximately 4.80 to 5 lakh for all the 3 years, means this is the total fees, and for BCom also it is approximately 4 lakh. Eligibility discuss कर लेते हैं. Eligibility is very simple for BBA and BCom honors program. Like the student must have cleared 12th class in any stream, साइंस, ह्यूमैनिटीज़ और कॉमर्स विद 55 और 60%. तो कहीं कहीं 55% मांगते हैं, किसी किसी प्रोग्राम में 60% मांगते हैं. एंड 12th क्लास परसुइंग स्टूडेंट कैन ऑल्सो अप्लाई फॉर द एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन. एग्जामिनेशन पैटर्न की भी बात कर लेते हैं फटाफट से. एग्जामिनेशन पैटर्न होगा, देयर विल बी 5 सब्जेक्ट्स like logical reasoning will be there, data analytics questions will be coming into the examination, maths will be coming, GK, English and accounting. These 6 subjects will be there. एग्जामिनेशन पैटर्न के हिसाब से इसमें आपके 120 क्वेश्चंस होंगे. सो LR विल बी ऑफ 25 मार्क्स, डेटा एनालिटिक्स विल बी ऑफ 20 मार्क्स, मैथ्स 20 मार्क्स, GK 20 मार्क्स, इंग्लिश 25 मार्क्स, अकाउंटिंग 10 मार्क्स. So this is the examination pattern which will come CUET exam, and 120 questions will be there and you will be given 120 minutes. ठीक है. So now most of the students ask that, sir, what is the cutoff, ki out of 120 what is the passing marks? So there is there is such no passing marks, because every year it depends that how many questions are getting correct, what is the highest cutoff. But a basic idea I am giving, 90 plus marks should come for the student to clear the Christ University entrance test. Okay, there is a negative marking for 0.25 and plus 1 marks will be given for the correct answer. So friends, अब हम बात कर लेते हैं कि what are the facilities available into the campuses for the students. So number 1 is library. Library is very well maintained with number of books, thousands of books into the hard copies as well as into the soft copies to read the students on the systems. Secondly, gymnasium and yoga centers are available into the centers, and health facilities are also available within the campuses to the students. Auditorium, if I talk about auditorium, is very well maintained and equipped with the current facilities of technologies, and it is having a sitting capacity of 2000 students one at a time, and most of the programs are held into this auditorium, like fests are there and competitions are there, and apart from that convocation programs are there or induction programs are there, training purposes, the auditorium is used. Apart from this is also in demand by the most of the corporates, which they used to take the auditorium for their own purposes like seminars and all that. So auditorium is good. Next is Wi-Fi campus is available, means the whole of the campus is Wi-Fi enabled. Next is cafeteria. Cafeteria is very well maintained and hygienically food is available with the national and international cuisines and variety of foods is there. Hostel. Next is hostel. Hostel is available separately for the boys and the girls, and with the facility of 2-tier and 3-tier, means with the accommodation of 2 students in a single room, 3 students in a single room, like this. So the boys go hostel is separate and girls hostel is separate. Next is sports complex is also there. So the whole of the year one or the other sports like volleyball, badminton, cricket, the tournaments are used to held into the campuses with the other universities as well. So if I talk about the cultural life of the Christ University, so the cultural life of the Christ University is very happening and very joyful, cheerful mood is there when the fests are used to happen into the campuses. So is the activities, workshops, competitions, these are organized all over the year in a short intervals of time by different departments, so that the cheerful mood or a progressiveness is there within the students, a competitive nature is there within the students for their grooming and personality development. So, and a few of the fest I should take the names which are happening for the last of the years, like Darpan, Imprint, Blossoms, Mango Bite, In Bloom, Campus Connect, Dance Extravaganza. So these are the few names of the fest which used to happen or happened last into the years. If I talk about the placement of the university, so the placement of the university is approximately between 2.50 lakh per year to 5.50 lakh per year as a initially given to the students from the recruiters. And if I talk about the highest placement, highest can go up to the 10 to 12 lakhs per annum. So this is the placement of the Christ University, and 100% placement is claimed by the university that we place the students 100%. Amazon, Oracle, Infosys, OnePlus, KPMG, Deloitte, Zomato, Zycus, Godrej, Amazon, these are the names of the few companies which I have taken which come to the campus placement for the recruitment of the students. Okay, now I would like to give few more details about the Christ University, so that you can have a reliability on the Christ University, that whether it is a good option for study or not. Like 18,000 students across the India studying into the campuses for the different programs. So this is the number of the students studying every year. 700 plus faculties are available to teach the students into the various departments. 700 plus students enrolled approximately around the 40 nations of the world for their study purpose. Now next is, it has been awarded as best institutional building and garden by the Bangalore Urban Art Commission. Next is, it is known for its well discipline. So this is a very elaborated point, or very point to be kept in mind, that because this is maintained by the Christian community, so they are very well known for their timetable, and 75% attendance is mandatory in every session to sit into the examination. So it's not like that ki you are taking it for granted ki we are into the college now. So एक तरीके से देखा जाए तो स्कूल लेवल का सा ही कल्चर रहता है कि जैसे स्कूल में बच्चा आता है, टाइम पे क्लासेस होती है, रिसर्च होता है, फिर लेक्चर्स होते हैं, तो लाइक दिस विल बी द वेरी वेल मेंटेन्ड एंड डिसिप्लिन काइंड ऑफ डेकोरम विल बी देयर, स्टूडेंट्स विल बी गेटिंग इनटू द यूनिवर्सिटी. सो इसके ये कुछ पॉइंट्स थे, मुझे लगा था बता देने चाहिए. तो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. I have tried to cover most of the points of the Christ University which a student used to have in their mind, and if anything is still left, they can comment me under the comment box, so that I will try to cover that also. So this is all for today's video, and I will be meeting you in the next video for my taking the fourth option or the fourth university, because completing this video we have covered three universities, so next will be the fourth one. So while going, please like, subscribe and share the channel so that मेरी न्यू वीडियोज़ आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुंच सकें. So thanks for giving the time. Once again, thanks for watching the video.